people.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Good morning. Apologise if you can hear my engine, still a little bit nippy. It's going to warm up though. Time's it? It's 10 to 6 in the morning. Oh, so early. I've come to a place called Fawsley. I scouted it last week. There's loads of photo opportunities here. There's waterfalls, there's trees, there's leading lines, there's ruined buildings, there's beautiful landscapes. So I'm going to go out and take a few photos here. Hopefully there's going to be a decent sunrise this morning. But that's not down to me, is it? So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, well I've found a composition that I'm going for. I've got these reed beds here. Got leading lines up to it. Got a bit of a focal point with the reeds sticking up here. But I've got the lake as well, and the lake into the sunrise. It was when I got here. It was perfectly calm out there on the water. And these ducks woke up and messed up all the reflections. So I might have to wait a while before I get the image. But the sun's not due up for another half an hour. I've literally walked 10 minutes from the car, and this really is a beautiful place to come and take photos. There's so much just in this one area, short walking distance with each. You've got a ruined church, you've got a stately home, you've got an old ruined building up just up the road by Badby Wood. There's more ruined buildings over that way, and also up there, if you go up, I don't know if you can see the hill over there, just over there in the distance. You go to the top of that, it's not that far, it's a 10-minute walk. You've got sweeping views down a bit of a valley. We've also got waterfalls here. I know, waterfalls in Northampton, but we've got them. But it's so still and quiet here. All you can hear is bird song. Oh, and I walked through 1,000 sheep to get down here as well. Yeah, I'm going to get this image, then I'm going to go up. I was going to stop at the church, but I didn't because I couldn't really find any foreground. When the sun comes up, I'm going to go around the other side of it to see if there's an image there. Okay, in a bit. So what I've done is, because the sunrise is all the way over there. You can't see it, but it looks a cracking sunrise. It's just all the way over on the horizon. So I put the long lens on, 70 to 200, and I'm not focusing, but I've got one of the reeds here, I don't know if you can see it, just on one of the intersecting sections of the rule of thirds. And there's a sort of V shape over there. I'll put that in the centre of my composition, trying to get all these reflections in. Got ducks going over there again now. Trying to get these reflections in, and I'll be honest, it looks superb on the back of this camera. Look at that. Look at that. It's okay. There's a bit of mist across the top of the water as well. It sort of makes it a little bit better. Just a thin layer of mist, not a lot, just a thin layer. But honestly, this is a great location. I went out taking photos last night, and it's a bit shit if I'm honest. It had the same sort of clouds as we got today, this morning. But I just wasn't feeling it. I couldn't find a composition anywhere. I went to my local park. And I've been there loads of times taking photos, and I think I'm bored of it. So I thought we would come here today, take some photos. But I think the sky's just started to pop up over there now. I wish you could see it. We might get a sunrise after all. The sun is officially up now. 6:25 sunrise. 6:25 sunrise, so it's officially up. I'm going to wait around a bit, obviously. In a bit!
You've been trying since the day we met. You keep telling me I'm playing hard to get.
Look at this now. Look at it. I have never seen sunbeams like that ever before. It's almost perfect. Look at it. I've just taken a bracketed shot. I hope it comes out all right. I'm just going to keep taking shots. Hope for the best. I'm on F11. I'm getting 20th of the second exposure. And I'm bracketing 2 shots either side. ISO 100, obviously. I say obviously. Sometimes it just comes together. I'm not 100% happy with the composition, but you can't be here and not take a photo of that. Sunrise has pretty much happened now. There's a little bit of colour in the sky. I'm going to wait for the sun just to get up a little bit and shine on that church, see if we can get a photo of the sun on the church. So yeah, in a bit.
Ooh, I'm falling for you. These emotions have been closed off for so long.
So I found another composition. I'm at the church. It's really pretty. It's not ruined. I thought it was, but it's not. I think it's still used actually. The church is just here. Really pretty church. And you got the Fawsley Hall over there. The only problem with this image is, see this track? Follow this track. There's the freaking Portaloo outside. Who puts a Portaloo outside a church? So, I'm just going to have to hope my Photoshop skills are up to scratch to get it. It's only a little tiny dot on the back of the screen. I'm using these tracks as a leading line up to the church. No real foreground. I want one of these sheep to wander into the shot. Use him as foreground. Yeah, but no real foreground. Leading lines up to the shot. Church is quite pretty. Some of this morning light on it would be nice. Let's have a look. There it is. It's an okay shot. It's not a world beater. Not as good as down at the lake. I like them better. But yeah, I've got to take that Portaloo out in post. And there is a few sheep on the back of the camera. Okay, I'm going to try and find one more location, if I can, which is out of the Fawsley grounds. At the road where I'm parked, there's like a tree It's a really nice tree, all funny branches everywhere and everything. I'm going to try and get a photograph of that. It's got a proper leading line up to it, a little brook. Hopefully we might have a bit of sun on it by then as well. I can't tell whether it's blue sky or high cloud.
Oh, you're so quiet.
Oi, you!
Tell me now what's on your mind. You're getting bored, right? Emotions running dry. Oh, say my name. Tell me why we
A waterfall! In Northampton? Nah. There's no waterfalls here. It's not a proper waterfall. As far as waterfalls go, it's a bit ugly, if I'm honest. So I don't think I'll bother. I'll move on. I did it. I went down there and I shot this one here. There's some nice rocks in the foreground. And it's a nice photo. It might even be the best photo I've took today of an ugly waterfall. Who knew? Who knew? I came out the other day, went for a walk with the wife, and we came past this location. Like a wall, you got Badby Wood just up there, you got Fawsley Hall there, the church that I've just photographed is over there, the waterfall is just over there. Here, I wanted to take a photo of this tree the other day. The water was a bit more of a torrent in the water, and it was a leading line all the way up to the tree, which would have been quite pretty. It's not the same today, it doesn't look the same, but the tree is majestic. Look at that! Then you got the sun coming up over here, which I thought would have been nice, just lighting up the tree, just coming over the rise of that hill. I thought that would have been nice, but what? You fool. See what I was talking about? I was talking about one tip that I could give you. The only tip you'd ever get from me. And that is to get out and explore. Doesn't matter what the weather's like. Doesn't matter if it's going to rain or snow. Whatever it is, just get out and explore and you'll find photos. I didn't want to go out, but I went out the week before and I saw all the beautiful locations for photography. And do it all within a really, really small space. That was important. The one tip I can give you, and that's just to get out and do it. Now I'm going to give you another tip. It's the only two tips you're ever going to get from me. The second tip is make sure you charge your batteries up. Okay? Thank you. Bye for now. Ta-ra a bit. Love you all.